Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve a very simple problem, but simple yet tricky, as it says. This is a very simple algebra or arithmetic problem. You can say a value of a plus 3ab minus b is given to be 24, and what is the value of a plus b? Okay, so we'll see. This problem is really interesting. Okay, and on the way we'll see some confusions are arising. For example, if you directly calculate, after some manipulation you can calculate a plus b to be some number. Okay, but if you just answer that will be wrong answer. Okay, so we'll see what it actually means. Okay, and let us start with this expression, which is given a plus 3ab minus b equals 24. So how do we solve this for a plus b, right? So directly there is no way we can see, right? No visible way here. If we take a common or b common, nothing great happens, right? But before that, sometimes in such problems some obvious solutions are there. For example, if you see, take b equal to 0, okay, then a equal to 24 actually. So a equal to 24, b equal to 0 is a solution. Similarly, if you see a equals 0, b equal to minus 24 also gives solution. Okay, so there are at least two solutions. In case a equal to 0, b equal to minus 24, a plus b is minus 24, and another obvious solution is a equal to 24 and b equals 0. In that case, a plus b is plus 24, right? These are obvious solutions, but sometimes some restrictions are already mentioned in the problem. For example, if we restrict us to only natural numbers, suppose it is given that a, b are natural numbers, which means 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? We start from 1, and then those a, b which are natural numbers satisfy this a plus 3ab minus b equal to 24, this identity. Okay, so then what is the value of a plus b? Let us just keep in mind that a and b are natural numbers, and we want to solve this equation a plus 3ab minus b equals 24. Okay, so let us try to solve this. For example, we see that b is common from the right. Okay, so we take b common. A plus b times 3a minus 1 gives you 24, which is fine. Very simple process. And then still we do not get anything suitable. Then we need to do something. So 3a is here. We are going to get somehow 3a in this equation. Okay, so then multiply 3 both the sides. So this gives 3a plus 3b, 3a minus 1, and then on the right 24 times 3, which is 72, right? Well, then 3a minus 1 is there, 3a is there, so still this is not in a good shape, right? Better to add minus 1 to the both sides. Okay, then it gives 3a minus 1 plus 3b into 3a minus 1 as it was, and then on the right 72 minus 1, which is 71 on the right, and on the left if you see that 3a minus 1 is common, so 3a minus 1 into 1 plus 3b, and that gives you 71. So basically, if a and b, now the actually critical things happen. So now suppose a, b are natural numbers as we have seen here. So then 3a minus 1 is also a natural number, right? So the minimum natural number is 1. If you put a equal to 1 here, then 3 minus 1 is 2. So it starts from 2 and it is always positive. And anyway, 1 plus 3b is again a natural number and positive, right? So basically we are writing 71 as product of two natural numbers when a, b are natural numbers, right? So then the main observation here is that 71 is a prime number. So basically, if you want to write like 71 as product of two natural numbers like this and this, okay, what are the possibilities? Because 71 is a prime, if we are looking for solutions in natural numbers, then 71 can be written in just two ways, 71 times 1 and 1 times 71, right? So therefore, since 71 is 3a minus 1 into 1 plus 3b, then 3a minus 1 is 71 and 1 plus 3b equal to 1, that gives you 71, right? In this case, you see, just by adding these two equations, 3a minus 1 71 plus 1 plus and 1 plus 3b 1, if you just add these two equations, what you get is 3a plus 3b equals 72. and this gives a plus b equal to 24. Is it so? Okay. Another case is 1 into 71, right? And so basically, or this will happen, 3a minus 1 will be 1 and the other number 1 plus 3b, the other factor actually, must be 71. There is no other way, right? So in this case also we see 3a plus 3b is 72, right? And again that gives same, a plus b equals 24. Now the question is whether a plus b equals 24 is the answer. Okay, if you answer this that a plus b is 24, then the answer is completely wrong. Why is that so, right? Okay, it is given that, in the problem it was given that a, b are natural numbers satisfying those identity. Okay, if you say a plus b will be 24, I will rather ask what are a and b, right? If you just look at these equations, they are giving some values of a and b, right? But whether they are natural numbers, because a, b are given to be natural number, right? So 3a minus 171 gives you a natural number, natural solution for a. What is that? 3a will be 72, so a will be 24, which is a natural number. Fine, acceptable. But what about 1 plus 3b equals 1? There is no natural number b such that 1 plus 3b equals 1. So basically there are no two natural numbers a, b which satisfy this and this. So the 71 into 1 case is gone. Let us check what happens with the case 1 times 71, right? Now 3a minus 1 is 1. Can we find a natural number a such that 3a minus 1 is 1? It is impossible. Okay. Similarly, can we find a natural number b such that 1 plus 3b is 71? No. In that case, 3b will be 70, right? But there is no natural number b such that 3b equal to 70. Simply because 70 is not divisible by 3. Right? So there are no natural numbers a and b such that this also holds, which means 1 times 71, this also we cannot get using only natural numbers, right? So therefore there is no solution in the natural case. So we cannot find two natural numbers a and b such that the given equation follows, right? Therefore, though after calculation we get a plus b is 24, we do not actually have solutions. But what this a plus b equal to 24 is saying? A plus b equal to 24 is saying that whatever the solutions are, they will be in rational numbers. And if you add them, you will get 24, which is fine. But if a, b are natural numbers, there is no solution. Therefore, there is no value of a plus b. Things will be interesting only when we are actually looking for solutions in integer numbers or integers, right? So as we have seen, there are two obvious answers, right? Or two obvious solutions: a equal to 24, b equal to 0, and a equal to 0, b equal to minus 24. But whether those are the only solutions, let us see. Now 71, how can we write as product of two integers? There are now 4 ways, okay? 71 cross 1, 1 cross 71. But we can use negative numbers also because we are in integers. So minus 71 into minus 1 or minus 1 into minus 7. There are 4 cases. Okay, let us check one by one. So first case, 3a minus 1 can be 71 and 1 plus 3b can be 1, right? In this case, is there any integer solution? The answer is yes. So 3a equals 71 plus 1, which will give 72. So a is 24. And you can take b to be 0 now because 0 is an integer. We can, 0, b equal to 0 is allowed here. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So basically, a solution of this is given. A equal to 24, b equal to 0, and a plus b equal to 24 in this case, right? Okay, what are the other situation? 3a minus 1 can be 1, and 1 plus 3b can be 71, right? In this case, can we have an integer here so that 3a equals to? No, because 3a equals 2 means a is 2 by 3, which is not an integer even, right? So in this case, there is no solution. So far we have got only one solution. Let us check with the negative numbers also. Okay, so in this case, minus 71 times minus 1, let's say 3a minus 1 is minus 71 and 1 plus 3b is minus 1, okay? Then in this case, we see that this 3b is minus 2, right? Or this 3a is 70. In both these cases, there can be no integers a and b such that these equations hold true, right? Therefore, in this case, there is no solution in integers, okay? and the remaining case, which is 3a minus 1 can be minus 1 and 1 plus 3b can be minus 71. In this case, there are indeed solutions, right? If you take a equal to 0, this equation follows, and if you take b equal to minus 24, this equation follows. Therefore, in this case, you have solution a equal to 0, b equal to minus 24, a plus b is in this case minus 24. And this also shows, actually there is no other case outside these four. So this also shows the trivial solutions which we could guess from the given equation. Okay, so this equation, this solution, okay, just a second, a plus b equals 24, in which case a equal to 24, b equal to 0. These solutions we could guess, right? And another solution is a equal to 0, b equal to minus 24, and so on, right? So these are the only two solutions, and in that case, in the case of integers, a plus b is sometimes 24 and minus 24, right? Two solutions. But in natural numbers, there is no solution. Okay, yeah, that's all. This is longer video. If you like the content, do press the like button and subscribe our channel to motivate us. I sincerely thank you for watching.